Good day everyone, my name is Viet and welcome to my weekly outlook into the Forex market. This video will be divided into two parts. The first half will be about potential trading opportunities that I can see for next week. The second part will be about the reality of trading, which is the purpose of my channel. You can see links in the description that takes you directly to part 2. My only trade for the week was EURJPY long on a 12-hour chart. Let me show you the trade. Price broke through 125.70 and it came back down to test it. It met all of my criteria on the completion of this candle here. Buyers pushed up a bit more and then sellers took control and my trailing stop was hit. Total loss was less than half of the original amount at risk. My trading philosophy is to minimize losses, and if you are a long-term viewer, then you would have seen this many times over. First up is Australian USD on daily chart. Weekly resistance level at 75.60 has been broken on Thursday, and price managed to close above it. Going into next week, I will be looking to buy at support if price retraces back to test this level. Next is British Pound US Dollar, where 1.4370 resistance was broken and now this level could be acting as support if price comes back down to it again next week. I will be looking for opportunities to buy as support if I can see signs of buyers in control. Notice how I repeat the same trading plan over and over again? It's because I have demonstrated that my plan works. I let my performance be the ultimate judge of my trading plan. USD Canadian dollar is heading down closer to 1.2830 weekly support level. 1.3040 could become a new support level. However, at this stage it does not show me enough evidence to label it as support yet. If price reaches 1.2830 and I can see evidence of buyers in control at support, then I will be looking for opportunities to go long. USD Japanese yen tested 111 support on Thursday and it appears to be holding. Going into next week, I will wait for Monday's daily candle to close before reviewing this pair again. I want to see evidence of strong buying power as reason to support a case to go long. Last but not least is New Zealand USD. On the daily chart, price is close to my resistance level at 0.69. If buyers continue to push price up to this level, then I will be looking for opportunities to short from resistance. Next weekend is the Easter break, so I won't be posting a video. Instead, you can read about my analysis on my blog. Stay with me for part 2 of the video right now. Otherwise, I wish you a profitable trading week and a great Easter holiday with your loved ones. The reality of trading is that being right about future price movement does not equal profits. If you go back and re-watch my video from last Sunday, you will find that I anticipated correct price movements for Australian Japanese yen, Australian US dollar, Euro US dollar, Pound Japanese yen and Pound US dollar. In theory, I should have had a great winning week, but instead I came out with a small loss. Why is that the case? Let me show you how reality is vastly different. First up is Australian dollar Japanese yen. We're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and this was the first candle on Monday. When looking back now, it looks like a textbook reversal trade, and it is. However, it formed outside the time window that I trade. Therefore, it does not fit into my trading plan. British Pound Japanese yen had a similar reversal on 8-hour chart at 164 resistance. Again, it was outside of the time that I trade. I missed out on AUD New Zealand 12-hour short at 1.13 resistance because I forgot about it until it was too late. This was the note that I wrote to myself after spotting the setup. The reality of trading is that trades will be missed for whatever reasons. Possibly the best example that I can show you is Euro-US dollar on daily chart. Last week I talked about going long at 1.11 support. I watched this pair closely on multiple time frames but was unable to find a suitable setup until the end of Tuesday when the daily candle showed signs of a possible reversal. So I put in a buy stop order to go long. Unfortunately, price broke the low of the indecision candle and my reasons to go long at that time was invalidated, so my orders were cancelled. Price shot up shortly after that. Here is the proof that I had a buy stop order at that time. This is a screenshot from my private online trading journal. So next time you see someone scrolling back on their charts to show you a trade that they would have taken, just be mindful that in reality it could have been much different. Someone could be right about a future price movement, but to capitalize on those opportunities is something else completely. Look at how many economists claimed that they saw the 2008 financial crisis coming. Now look at how many of them actually made any money during that time. My name is Viet of Axis Partners and this has been my thoughts on the reality of trading. Thank you for your time listening and I will see you in my next video after the Easter holiday break.